Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
DIY Father's Day cards for kids. This Father's Day, rather than spending a lot of money on things Dad may soon forget about, have your child make him something special like a handmade card. If you are looking for some inspiration for cards you can make with your child, here are some great handmade Father's Day card ideas. Card idea number 1. I love hanging out with you. What you will need: brown paint, green squeeze paint, brown paper A4 size, googly eyes 2, glue, black felt pen, heart stickers, blank greeting card. 1. Pencil. How to make: 1. Help your kid paint his palms and forefingers brown. Don't paint the thumb. 2. Press the handprint onto the front side of the blank greeting card. 3. Now, on the brown paper, draw a circle for the head, 2 semicircles for a pair of ears, a tail. Cut along the outlines. 4. Stick the head where the thumb would have been. 5. Stick the ears and the tail and then paint the face and nose onto the monkey. 6. Stick the googly eyes. 7. With the green paint, have the kids make some tree branches below and round the monkey. 8. Use the heart stickers for fruits hanging on the tree. 9. Write "I love hanging out with you" inside the card. Card idea number 2. I love you very much. What you will need: blank greeting card. 1. Black marker, purple, red, and green paint. Small paintbrush. How to make: 1. Mix the purple and red colored paint together for a rich raspberry tone. 2. Have your child dip his fingers into the paint and start printing out the shape of a raspberry. 3. With a brush and the green paint, make the leaves and stem of the fruit. 4. To give it a 3D effect, take some purple paint and lightly go around the individual prints. 5. Write "I love you very much, Daddy" inside the card. Card idea number 3. My best teddy bear. What you will need: blank greeting card. 1. Black marker, brown paint, googly eyes. 2. Blue ribbon bow, paintbrush, soft blending brush. How to make: 1. Dip your little one's foot in the brown paint and then make an imprint on the paper. 2. Using a paintbrush, blend the print out so that most of it has a brown color. Don't be rough as you do not want to smudge the print. 3. The heel will be the head, so paint the ears on the heel. 4. Stick the googly eyes at the appropriate place and draw the nose and mouth. 5. Stick the ribbon where the neck should be. 6. Write "Happy Father's Day to my best teddy bear" inside the card. These DIY Father's Day cards are more special to Dad because he'll be able to see the love and effort your child has put into making him something special. So, whether it is for preschool kids, toddlers, or older kids, these Father's Day card ideas are sure to work their magic.